Alden Richard update. And IG story ni Alden. Nagpunta siya dyan sa Bia. And may tinitingnan pa nga si Alden na dun sa naka-display. And bicycle shop. Nagpunta si Alden dyan. Siyempre, isa sa mga hobby niya yan, mag-bike. Solid yan, no? Tapos ito pa, walking in the street. Ang magkakapatid na sila Alden, Angel, sa si Risa. At may maswerte pa nga nakapagpa-picture kay Alden. Kaya sabi, Alden in the house of Harry Potter. Yun, no? Yan, buti may nakakita kay Alden dyan. Enjoy vacation ng family porters. Tapos ito pa, Dimples Day. Yan pa nag-iisang Alden Richards. Yun, no? Kasi yan pa, kasama din si Kuya Jose. Yan pa rin may Dimples. Ito pa yung mga pinuntahan nila. Family porters. Sa Harry Potter, yun, no? May sila Risa saka Angel. Picture taking dyan sa loob. Ganda dyan, no? Harry Potter. Parang nanood ka ng pelikula. Grabe, may lumalabas sa nga, grabe. Yan pa yung mga may gagamba, dinosaur. Yan pa, after nila mamasyal, yan, kumain sila. Yan, no? Sarap naman, ice cream. Grabe, saka cupcake. Yan, dyan sa, yan, no? Warner Bros. Studio. Saka ito yung show ni Alden, nakaraan. For London Barrio Fiesta. Now it's hard to know as I'm sitting 7 minutes with you and it's 7 Saya mga Pinoy dyan, ha? Personal si Alden. Kasi nakitang pangang World all of this is right here. It's been 3 years, it's been so much since I saw your face that night. It took 5 seconds to fall in love and 2 more to make you mine. Let's go. Now it's more than more than setting. 7 minutes with you and it's 7 in a town. It's fine. 11, 24, 7, 3, 6, 5. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.